Hey guys, Dr. Josh Jagoda here, and today I'm going to talk about your knees caving in when you are squatting. So if you are squatting and your knees start to cave in a little bit, that is not always a bad thing. Really, that isn't. And it depends on what level of caving in that you see within yourself. So if you're starting to cave in all the way like this, yeah, that is definitely going to be an issue. But if you start coming in and you cave in a little bit, just like this, that is actually a mechanical advantage to get the glutes to fire and contract so that when you kind of come up, you push up. But if you are watching this video and you're still with me and you realize that the mechanical advantage is kind of not there for you, meaning your legs are really caving in a lot, you have to start asking some other questions. What is happening in the hips to get that? So what I like to do is I'll tie a band and I'll start strengthening. I'll do those lateral movements in this direction also to help strengthen the glutes, and meaning the glute medius. So you want to do things that will help to strengthen the lateral aspect of the hips. In addition, you're gonna notice as you come this way, you're really at risk for a ton of knee issues. So we have to start opening up the quads and start strengthening the quads. If you do not start strengthening the quads and the sides of your hips, this is just going to continue to happen and over and over and over again. And as you squat with more weight or more repetitions, you're going to be at a higher risk for injury within the knees, especially the MCL and the ACL, okay? So again, if you are caving in a little bit like this and you twitch, that's okay, because again, it's a mechanical advantage for the glutes to fire. So an example would be if you are a basketball player or if you're a jumper, somebody who's going up for a rebound or something like that. If I told you to just stand in place and hop in and jump up just like that, you're going to notice your knees will collapse a little bit. Not entirely like this, but just a tad, enough to get those glutes to contract. All right, guys? I'm Dr. Josh Jagoda. Thanks for stopping by. Hopefully this gives you a little insight on why your knees can pull inward and what it means when they do pull inward, and if they pull inward too much, you'll know what to do and how to get and fix that problem, all right? I'm Dr. Josh Jagoda. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.